Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about cross sections of shapes or solids. So this is a topic that is geometry related, and you'll actually see this in a future course in high school or perhaps upper middle school level when you do take your course on geometry. Okay, but for right now let's just take a quick introduction into what cross sections are. So it's essentially a two-dimensional shape that is formed by the intersection of a plane and a solid. So in this diagram that we have right here, we have a rectangular prism, so like a three-dimensional, think about like a block, and we're taking a two-dimensional shape and we're like slicing that block. It doesn't have to be in half, but just in some way. So in this case, the diagram that we're looking at on the screen, we're slicing it through the middle, like long ways, I guess you would say. So we can see that the intersection there is that yellow shaded region, which it's kind of hard to draw this, but the yellow shaded region is our intersection area, and that would be a rectangle. So with cross sections, kind of the idea is we're trying to figure out, based on the shape, based on where the plane is intersecting the solid, what shape is formed at that intersection. Okay, so we're going to look at four examples where we have, number one, we have a square pyramid, number two, we have a triangular prism, number three is a cylinder, and number four is a cone. And so the cross section that is formed by the intersection of the plane and the solid in these cases, it's not the only shape of the cross section that could be formed, it's just the shape that is formed based on where this intersection is taking place. Okay, so number one, we have a square pyramid and we are intersecting it kind of on its side. Okay, so you can see our shape here. We're going to have a trapezoidal shape. So we're going to say this is a trapezoid, okay? Because if you imagine it, we're slicing it on the side, right? So the top of where our plane is intersecting is going to be a little bit more narrow, and then the bottom or the base is going to be a little bit longer, right? So it's going to give us that shape of a trapezoid, okay? All right, number two, we're taking a triangular prism and we're just splitting it in half with a vertical plane just like that. So our cross section is just going to be a triangle. Yeah, I think that was a little bit easier to see. All right, number three, we have a cylinder. So think about it like on its side, and we're taking a plane and we're slicing it in half just like that. So it's actually going to give us a rectangle cross section. So we'll write rectangle for that one. And our last one, number four, we have a cone, and we're slicing the top off the cone. So we're going to be left with a circular cross section. So that's what we see right there, and that would be a circle. Okay, so like I said, this is a brief introduction to what cross sections are. I have another video that I made for my geometry course that I'll link in the description below if you want to check that out and kind of see how this progresses as you move into later math courses. But for now, that's the cross section of a shape.